Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to become Twitch affiliate. So it's very easy. First of all, you just need to go to any browser you want. Here I'm going to Chrome, and here in the search bar, you need to search for helptwitch.tv. So right after that, click on the first link that comes in front of you. So in here, you can see the options: getting started, affiliate program, partner program, moderation, and safety. Just click on the affiliate program, and here you are able to see Twitch affiliate program question and answer. So now to affiliate program, you need to have requirement that you need to fulfill before just affiliating in the Twitch. You need to just get reach 50 followers, stream for 8 hours, stream on 7 different days, have an average of 3 viewers. So to qualify for the affiliate program, you must simultaneously meet all the 4 requirements over a 30 days period. So here I made the requirement. What next? Congratulations, within 28 to 48 of completing your final requirement, you should have an invitation to apply to the program via email and in your creator dashboard. So 2, I am under 18, can I still sign up? Yes, your parents and guardian will need to agree to the terms of monetized streamer agreements, so make sure you have them with you when you go through the application. So do I need to stream 7 different categories to meet the 7 unique broadcast days achievement? Nope, this requirement asks you to stream on 7 different days total. So the next question is, how do I check my progress toward the affiliate program? Check your progress toward the affiliate program by navigating to your achievement analytic. Once your channel qualifies to join the program, you will be able to do so by clicking the button that appears on your path to affiliate achievement. So here you need to just click on achievement analytics to just affiliate with their Twitch. So this is how it comes. So in this way you can just affiliate on Twitch. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.